How to disable Get Office notifications on Windows 10. Solution 1, Step 1, check Show notifications from these apps. Disable any other unwanted options. You may even consider turning off Get notifications from apps and other senders. Step 2, unpin Get Office tile from the Start menu. Refer to the below IMG. Hint, some pre-installed apps or the apps you installed yourself could also use the notification system for ads. Solution 2, check. You have the Get Office app installed. If so, remove that app manually. Additionally, gain the admin access, run the following command via PowerShell, get apps package. Name like Microsoft Office Hub, remove apps package. Restart your PC. Solution 3, update current. Suite as expected. Hint, the upgrade button on the update alert from your Office suite.